We're starting chapter 2 today, and chapter 2 is multiplying and dividing rational numbers. We are actually going to begin topic 2.1, which is multiplying integers, and then we're going to go straight into 2.2, which is dividing integers. So you should have done your warm-up already, and then you are just going to check your answer with mine. Our learning goal today is that I can find the products of integers. So for 2.1, we're multiplying, so that makes sense because we are finding the product, and the product is the answer to a multiplication problem. A factor is a number that divides evenly into a number. So for instance, 4 is a factor of 20. So 20 is equal to 5 times 4. 4 goes into 25 times evenly, and so that means that 4 and 5 are factors, and 20 is the product. All right, so now we're going to consider the following methods for evaluating 3 times the quantity, -2 plus 4. So it says use the parentheses first, so that means we're going to solve what's on the inside of the parentheses. -2 plus 4, those are different signs, so we know that we subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and it's going to be positive because 4 is bigger and it is positive. Then I keep my parentheses, and I'm going to multiply 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. Using the distributive property, which you should have learned a little bit about last year, it means that we're going to take this 3 and we're going to multiply it to everything on the inside of the parentheses. So 3 times -2, we keep our negative, and that's a 6. 3 times 4 is positive 12. And then we have -6 plus 12. These are different signs, so we subtract. 12 minus 6 is 6, and it is positive because my 12 is positive. You can see that both answers give us 6, no matter how we solve them. So we know that 3 times -2 must equal -6. And this leads us into our new rules for multiplying integers.